In the box you have Raceform RC stickers, USB power cable, Electric Tire Gluing Jig, gluing nozzles and toggle instructions. Power up the device with external power source with the USB cable. Test the device to make sure it is able to rotate when power is on. Now take a look at the adjustable slider stem. 4 height indications. ST stands for stadium truck. R stands for buggy rear tires. F stands for buggy front for both 2wd and 4wd. FS stands for 2wd buggy front slim. Adjust the stem height with a 3mm hex at the underside of the device. Adjust the stem height according to the indicated height for your tire type. Remove the wheel knob. Slide in your assembled tires. Install the wheel knob to just touch the top of the wheel. Latch the toggle onto the tires. Power on the device. Apply a consistent flow of glue into the opened bead. Complete a full round of gluing on the tires. Power off the device and unlatch the toggle. Remove the wheel knob. Remove the tires and use a tire band to secure it. Repeat the process for the remaining tires. Recommended sequence is to glue all the outside of the tires and allow the glue to set in and cure, then repeat the process for the inside. Adjust the slider stem to the correct height based on your respective tires. Tires comes in different compound and profile and might not have an ideal bead opening. Adjust the toggle angle with the M3 grub screw. Observe the bead opening and adjust again if required. Gluing can start once the inside rim is visible.